Welcome. If you've ever wanted to look back at all the story replies you've sent on Instagram but didn't know how to find them on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, checking your entire story replies history is now easier than ever, right from your browser. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Menu to open up a list of more features. Next, from the menu, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of all your interactions, making it simple to track your engagement on the platform. Once you're inside the Your Activity page, look for the Interaction section. Here, you'll find a variety of categories like comments, likes, and more. What you want to focus on is Story Replies. Click on Story Replies. Instantly, you'll see a full history of all the replies you've made to others' Instagram stories. You can scroll through and revisit any reply, making it easy to remember past conversations or find something specific you said. If you want to organize your replies, use the sort and filter options to arrange them by date or relevance, helping you find exactly what you're looking for quickly. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can access your entire Instagram story replies history on your PC. Whether you're looking to reconnect with friends, review past interactions, or simply satisfy your curiosity, this feature makes it all possible without needing your phone. Give it a try and see just how convenient managing your Instagram activity can be from your desktop.